In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to instant saving Sam's Club 2025, step by step. If you want to stretch your budget at the warehouse, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to find Sam's Club instant savings online and how to read the deals with confidence. Instant savings are limited time discounts that are automatically applied for members, no clipping, no codes, so the key is simply knowing where to look and what the labels mean. Start by heading to the Sam's Club website. On the home page, keep your eyes on the top navigation bar. Depending on your screen size, you may see a menu that expands, but the option you're after is clearly labeled Instant Savings. Click that to open the dedicated Savings Hub. Once you arrive, you'll land on a page that highlights current promotions and the time frame they're active. Front and center, you'll notice a section that lets you shop by category. This is the fastest way to narrow the offers to what you actually need, whether that's groceries, household essentials, electronics, or office furniture. Choose a category to start browsing and then continue scrolling through the curated deals. If you prefer, use filters like price range or brand to keep things focused. As you move through the listings, watch for an instant savings tag on each product tile. That label is your confirmation that the discount is active on that item, and it helps you separate true promos from regular pricing at a glance. When an item catches your eye, click it to open the product page. Here's where you can see the exact savings in dollars presented alongside the current member price. You'll also find the price before the discount, typically shown as a crossed out or compare at amount. This side-by-side view makes it simple to evaluate whether the offer is worth acting on. Look for any notes about purchase limits, whether the deal is online, in club, or both, and the end date so you can plan your timing. Instant savings are applied automatically at checkout during the promotional window. That's the whole flow. Go to the site, use the top menu to open instant savings, shop by category, browse the listings, watch for the instant savings label, and then open an item to review the savings and the previous price. Revisit this page regularly because new deals rotate in throughout the season. Thanks for watching and enjoy maximizing your member savings.